So to do this, let's go to Edit, Preferences, and then let's open Keymap. And pretty much all navigation things in Blender you're going to find under 3D View, 3D View Global. If we scroll down here, you can see all these Numpad keys. So we want to make new keys. So I'm going to click in this box, press Control C, close this up, come down here, press Add New, and then paste this in, Control V. And I'll click here and press 1. You can either click here or here to add whatever hotkey. And I'll change this to front. So the way I like to have this set up is 1, 2 is front and back, 3, 4 left and right, 5, 6 top and bottom, 7 for perspective, 8 and 9 do orbiting, and 0 for camera. Then we want to repeat what we just did, so we'll press Add New, press Control V in here, click here, press 2, change the view to back, add another one, so now we want to make a key for changing between perspective and orthographic. Quickest way to do that is to search for it up here where it says name, type in perspective. Here we can see it shows up here. We'll click this open, copy this value, close this out. Then we can head back to the bottom of here, add new, paste this value in, and this we want to be 7. As I said, for 8 and 9, we want to be able to orbit similarly to how we can do with the Numpad keys. So we need to find orbit axis. We could search for it, but you can find it right here near the top. So we'll just copy that value, paste this in, and we want 8. We want one orbiting horizontally and one orbiting vertically, so it could start in either direction that you want. We'll just pick left for this one, add another one, paste this value in, and then press 9 and do this for orbit up. And that way we have horizontal and vertical orbiting. Then we need to find the camera hotkey, which is of course up here under view camera. Click that open, copy this value out, close this up. I'll go ahead and close that up as well. Find my bar so I can jump down here quicker, add new, enter this, and enter 0 here. Okay, so I've set up my navigation keys, but I need to disable these collection keys before they will work. And so to do that, we want to go into 3D view, object mode global, and then disable all of these numbered hide collection keys. Close that out. Now I can press 1 on my regular top left keyboard number keys for front, 2 back, 3 and 4 for left right, 5 and 6 for top bottom, 7 for hopping in and out of perspective or orthographic view, and then 8 for horizontal orbiting, 9 for vertical orbiting, and 0 throws us into our camera. A few other navigation hotkey tips I want to throw in there real quick. One is if we go to navigation, an extremely useful option to have active is orbit around selection. So I would check that. And then also the default action in Blender for when we hold down Alt and tap middle mouse is that the cursor zooms to wherever the mouse location is. I think a much better use of this hotkey is to have Alt and tapping middle mouse button to automatically zoom you in on whatever you have selected. So to do that, we can go to Edit, Preferences, Keymap, and search for frame selected. So in the 3D view, you can see that any one of these will do. We'll just click in here, copy that. We can close that out, and then we can find our scroll bar, scroll back down to the bottom, add new, paste this value in, click either here or here, tap middle mouse button down. So now it knows middle mouse, and then tap Alt. Now we can close this out, and if I hold Alt and tap middle mouse button, I will zoom on whatever I have selected. Well, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you next time.